Good morning. Today I am to discuss about the heterocyclic compounds. And what is heterocyclic compounds? It is a cyclic compound in which one or more of the ring compounds are replaced by another atoms. So we can say all the heterocyclic compounds are the ring structures and containing some heteroatoms like nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur in generally, but other atoms like boron, phosphorus and silicones can also be member of heterocyclic compound. So a number of substances which are heterocyclic compound according to their definition have already I want to share here. Today I want to discuss about the chemistry of pyrrole, furan and thiophene. Okay, actually pyrrole, furan and thiophene, these three heterocyclic compounds are the 5-member heterocyclic compounds, and pyrrole contains imidazole. Pyrrole contains nitrogen as the heteroatom, whereas furan contains oxygens and thiophene contains sulfur. So first, pyrrole. We can prepare pyrrole by passing a mixture of acetylene and ammonia through a red hot tube. We can also prepare, I had already sent you the PDF. We can prepare it from ammonium mucate, succinamide. Also we can prepare from furan. So I want to discuss here briefly about the structure of pyrrole. In pyrrole, the nitrogen and the 4 carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized, and we know the sp2 hybrid orbitals overlap to each other, and the s atomic orbitals of 5 hydrogens atoms forming different sigma bonds. What are the sigma bonds? Carbon carbon, carbon nitrogen, carbon hydrogen and nitrogen hydrogen. And these all the sigma bonds lie in the one plane. Though each carbon and the nitrogen atom processed under hybridized para-atomic orbitals, and these are perpendicular to the plane of sigma bonds. The orbitals on carbons containing 1 electron each, and para-orbitals on nitrogen containing 2 electrons lone pair. The lateral overlapping of each para-orbitals produce is pi-molecular orbitals containing the 6 electrons, and an arrangement that is referred as the aromatic sextet. So pyrroles, it contains 6 pi electrons, so it satisfied the Haeckel's rule, that is 4n plus 2. So total 6 number of pi electrons that is present in case of pyrrole. So it is aromatic in nature. So both the chemistry for thiophene and furan are same. The chemistry of pyrrole, furan and thiophene are same, only differ in the heteroatoms and only differ in the number of sigma bonds. Like in case of pyrrole, here the nitrogen and hydrogen sigma bond, but in case of furan that is oxygen hydrogen, but in case of thiophene sulfur hydrogen sigma bond. That is the difference. All the 3 cyclic compounds that contains the 6 pi electrons containing the lone pair of their heteroatoms and satisfied the Haeckel's rule. So both all the 3 compounds like pyrrole, furan and thiophene are aromatic in nature. The resonating structures of these 3 compounds, furan, pyrrole, thiophene, both are same. According to the different resonance structure, we can consider the hybrid of the resonance structures, and all the position, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, that is the negative charge on the carbon atom, and it is also noticed that has a result of donation of electrons by the nitrogen atoms. The carbon atoms of the pyrrole ring have gained the electron density. All the carbon ring of pyrrole, furan, thiophene gain the electron density. This is why they have become negative charge. This enable pyrrole to participate electron substitution reactions. So we can say In the negative charge, the position of the negative charge electrophiles are being attacked, and electrophilic substitution reaction occurs in case of pyrrole, furan, and thiophene. But both 2, 3, 4, 5 positions are zone where electrophiles can attract. But now the question is, what the positions? If any electrophilic substitution reaction occurs, 2 substitution product produced or 3 substitution product produced. Pyrrole undergoes electrophilic substitution, not only pyrrole, that is also same as furan and thiophene. These 3 compound undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction primarily at C2. This is understandable if we examine the intermediate cations. 3 resonance forms can be written for the intermediate obtained at C2, whereas only 2 intermediate forms are possible in case of C3. So substitution at C2 in case of both in all these compound pyrrole, furan, thiophene, that produced more number of resonating structures than electrophilic substitution occurs at position 3. This is why electrophilic substitution reaction occurs at position 2 in case of pyrrole, furan, thiophenes. Next, the different reactions. Pyrrole, furan, thiophene both produce the nitrations reaction, sulfonation reaction, halogenation reactions, Friedel-Crafts acylations, alkylations, and both the compound they will produce in case of pyrrole, in case of furan, in case of thiophene, both these 3 compound will produce 2 substituted product. Like on nitrogens, pyrrole will produce 2 nitropyrrole, furan will produce 2 nitrophenol, 2 nitrofuran, and thiophene will produce 2 nitrothiophene. In case of Friedel-Crafts acylations, pyrrole produce 2 acetyl pyrrole, in case of furan 2 acetyl furan, and in case of thiophene 2 acetyl thiophene. So these are the common reaction. Also in case of sulfonation, same products, just change the names of the heterocyclic compounds. The one reactions that is given by the nitrogens heteroatom, and this reaction, that is the diazo coupling reaction, and this reaction differ pyrrole from furan and thiophene. Furan and thiophene do not react in diazo coupling reaction. So in case of pyrrole, we can say diazo coupling reaction is the differentiate reaction that we can differentiate pyrrole from furan and thiophene. On oxidation, pyrrole will produce malic imide, and on partial reduction, pyrrole produced partial reduction with zinc and acetic acid, pyrrole will produce 3-pyrroline, and complete reduction in presence of hydrogen and platinum under pressure and heat, pyrrole produced pyrrolidine. So previously I have already said the chemistry, resonating structure, and electrophilic substitution reactions both are same in case of pyrrole, furan, thiophene. The only reaction that we can differentiate furan due to the strong electronegative atom of nitrogen, that is, it will produce the dialdar reactions. But pyrrole and thiophene that do not undergo the dialdar reactions. This is only the difference by which the dialdar reaction of furan that we can differentiate furan from pyrrole and thiophene. Next, thiophene, that is also the same reactions in case of thiophene, in case of as for pyrrole and furan. So the importance of these 3 heterocyclic compound, we all know different drug that contains this heterocyclic ring, and as they sp2 hybridized atoms, so they are planar in nature, and we know the planar compound strong bindly with the receptor or protein by strong hydrophobic bond. So this hydrophobicity is different in case of different aromatic compound. So if we change the different aromatic or heterocyclic compound in a drug, in a structure of a drug, then we can maximize, or we can change the potency, we can change the side effect, we can reduce the side effects of this drug. So this is called the structure activity relationship. So we know a drug that always produce some biological effect when they interact with some receptor or protease or protein, and these interaction between drug and receptor, there are three type of interaction. Number one, hydrogen bond. Number two, hydrophobic bond, and number three is the ionic bond. But all the aromatic compound and the heterocyclic compound, as they planar, they produce the strong hydrophobic. They produce the strong hydrophobic interaction with a receptor. So we must include this heterocyclic ring into the drug structure to maximize their potency, to reduce their side effect, to increase the affinity towards receptors, and this is the importance of the heterocyclic ring in medicinal chemistry as well as organic chemistry. Thank you.